What's up, guys? I want to do another Zippo video. I actually have a bunch of Zippo videos that I've been meaning to do for a while now. A couple of trick videos you'll see in the future. But I want to show you some different tips here and there, just so you guys know how to work your Zippo. Some functional type tips. The first thing, a question I get quite frequently is, all right, Jeff, I put a new flint in my Zippo because, you know, maybe I found one or just bought one or something, or maybe my Zippo wasn't working for a while. I realized I needed a flint, so I got a new flint in there, and I'm getting a spark, and I just filled it with gas, but I have no flame. It's just sparking. Why is that? Well, it's really simple. There's only two things that can be going wrong. If you have fuel in your Zippo and you're getting a spark from it, there's only two things that can actually be the problem. The first thing, and probably the more likely of the two, is that you overfilled it. If you overfill your Zippo, okay, to the point where if you hold it upside down, it's actually dripping out by the wick area, what's happening is when your Zippo is closed, there's so much fuel in there right now that when you first open it, it's completely filled with fuel vapor. And in order to get fire, you need a good mix of fuel and oxygen, or air. Right? So my little tip to you is, the first thing you want to do if you take your Zippo out, like I said, you have a flint, you have a spark, and you have fuel, but no flame. As soon as you open your Zippo, blow into it gently, okay? Just into this area here, the chimney and wick area. Alright, so gentle blow. Doesn't take much. What you're doing is you're blowing out some of those extra fumes and then introducing some oxygen in there. Then try it. Most likely you'll have a flame. Now, if you still have no flame after that, the only other thing that can possibly be wrong with your Zippo is that your wick is too burnt. Okay, deep down in there, the wick that's coming out of the body or insert of the Zippo has to hold your fuel. Okay, now it's not the liquid fuel that goes on fire, it's just the vapor of the fuel. But if your wick itself, sorry, I can't get a good macro shot here, but if the, come on, I got a busy background. If the wick inside is black and charred and there's only, you know, the metal left and there's no material to actually soak up that fluid, there's no fuel to burn. Okay, you basically just have a stoppage or a clog. Alright, so if that's the case and you blow into there and you're still getting no flame and you know you have a spark and you know you have fuel, your wick needs to be adjusted or changed out. Okay, more than likely you'll have wick left in there. You can refer to my wick changing video. I might do newer videos on some of this maintenance stuff just because the other ones are so old, and you know, I do a better quality video. But basically just take some tweezers or needle nose pliers, pull up the wick until you see the white underneath, snip off with a nice sharp pair of scissors the burnt part, and then you have a new wick exposed. This way you'll actually absorb and hold your fuel so that you can burn the vapors coming off of it and have fire. Alright, that's pretty much it, guys. Just wanted to show you that quick little tip. It is one of the more common questions I get, so hopefully that helps you out if that was your problem. And you can expect some more Zippo videos mixed in the bunch in the near future. I have a lot of things I want to show. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you soon. Take care.